it's the hippie Krissy, and I'm back with another video. Ooh, you see it? You see it? You see it? You see it? Yeah, so I was inspired to do this from the 7 chakras. And yeah, it's given or what. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit that post notification just so that you know when the hippie posts videos. And if you're new to the channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button below and join the hippie gang. It's fun over here. We positive vibes. Yeah, and it's free 99, so go ahead and do that. And if you want to see how I achieve these beautiful brows, stay tuned. Seems like yesterday you came round my way. Vibrations intense, I don't know what to say. Okay, universe ain't playing no game. I'm gonna go in with my eyebrow pencil in milk. It's in milk. And this is by NYX. I've actually had this eyebrow pencil. If you know, you know. I've had this eyebrow pencil for a while. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just going to put it on my brows, so I can actually have a base. Hopefully this works because I'm winging it. So boom. Have that on the brows like that. And we're going to set it. Yeah, I'm gonna kind of like create the shape that I want.
Come out of your room. Huh?
Huh?
Just come out of your room.
What is that?
The towel and the thing here.
No.
Hello?
Daddy, that's not for me. Okay, so boom. So now that we have the brows like this, we're going to go ahead and go in with the first color, which is going to be purple. So this purple here. So this is the purple I'm going to use, and I think I'm going to mix it just to make it kind of like a ombre effect with this purple here from the Juvia's Place palette, the Zulu palette. I'm going to use, my daddy loud all the time, this purple shade.
Really, nigga?
I'm going to use this little flat brush. So here it goes. Now these is like a loose pigment, so we gonna see. And we using 7 colors, okay? 7 colors. Okay, so we're starting with the purple. Now the purple is a loose pigment, so I am patting it in, and I'm going to blend it out with another color, just so it's not, just so it's giving like an ombre effect.
Really, nigga?
You hear my daddy? He watching the Olympics. Like, these talk-throughs definitely gonna be like interesting. Fading out the front part. And we'll fix it up as I go. Okay. So that's purple, which is for spiritual connection, unity, consciousness, and thought. Okay, that's for the crown chakra. Okay, so I'm using this color next. This next color is like a blue with a purple undertone, and that one is your third eye. So your third eye chakra is for visions, imagination, intuition, clairvoyance and sight. So be woke out here. Alright? Shit's getting real in this world. Stay woke. Open up this third eye. So excited to see how this comes out. Okay, so this also is a loose pigment. So what I am going to do with this, I am going to add a color in between to you know, just for blending purposes. So that's what we gonna do with this one. I'm putting it right next to the purple. You see? Ooh. Look now. Stop playing with me. Y'all already know when the hippie come through, she come through. Like, stop playing with me. Brow who? Okay. And we just doing the same thing, patting it on in. Patting it on in, just like that. Okay, I like that placement. I'm gonna add some more. Like that there. Just like that there. Okay. Like, I'm with all the hippie shit. Like, stop playing with me. Stop playing with me. Okay? Creative is me. Okay? Okay, so now I'm kind of going to blend it. I'm going to blend it out with another color. It's like similar. It's a color similar, but I'm going to just blend it out like right there where the colors meet. Just so it could be seamless. It could look like, oh snap, what just happened? You know? What just happened? Just like that. Okay, so the next color, I'm excited. Next color is going to be a light blue. And the blue shade, it represents the throat chakra. Okay, and the throat chakra is for communication, self-expression, truth, and voice, and also focus. Okay, if you don't know, now you know. Open up that throat chakra and get to talking. That's why I've been doing these talk throughs. I'm using my throat chakra. Okay, get aligned. I feel like I want to use this shade right here. And my color dropped, but this is what we gonna use. Okay, so we gonna pat it right here. Oh, that's pretty. Stop playing, girl. Hippie, you better do what you were supposed to do. And like I said, we putting them colors into each other so they could blend. Okay, blending is the best friend right now, because these are brows. You don't want it to look crazy. And we're going to put concealer and everything. Everything's going to be aligned. Okay, this is too cute. This is fun. Okay, so we're doing it to the other side. Other side, sunshine, like that. And like I said, we blending it into the other shade. So that, is that thunder outside? Wow. Like that. So we blending it like that. We got 7 colors. How many colors we got? 1, 2, 3, 4. No, I didn't do 4 colors, right? Hold on. We got 4 more colors. So we only did 3, so let me give space. The next color is going to be green. Now, green is the heart chakra. That is for love, affection, compassion, abundance, and relating. Okay? So your heart chakra is green, okay? Green like the grass, the trees, all of that earthy stuff. That's what I like. My heart chakra. So that's what we're about to do. And the green shade that I'm using, I wanted to use this one, but I think I'm gonna mix it. The loose pigment with a shade from my a shade from my BH palette. That one. Okay, so we're gonna mix those two. Okay, so now after green, this is going to be tricky because after the green is yellow. Yellow always give me a hard time. So I think I'm going to use the yellow that I have in this Juvia's Place palette. Oh, I got to use orange and... Ooh, y'all. I gotta use orange and red next. The yellow is for your solar plexus. That's the chakra, the next chakra. This chakra is for willpower, strength, manifesting, action, confidence. So yellow chakra is all of that. Strength, that Oshun energy. If you know, you know. Okay? Now, orange is the sacral chakra. And the sacral chakra is for creativity, sexuality, passion, vitality, emotions. Okay? So that's the sacral chakra. Okay? So that's what I'm about to do now is that orange. And the orange I'm using is from the Juvia's Place palette. That orange right there. I think I went ham with the purple and the blue, but it's okay. So the next color is going to be red. And red is the root chakra. That is for survival, grounding, nourishment. The root chakra, that's your root. That's what everybody should be vibrating on. So these chakras will get you aligned. Like, look it up. Look it up. If you're spiritual, look up the meaning of these colors, because colors bring forth so much meaning and so much energy. And if you tap into it, you won't regret it. I'm telling you, you won't regret it. The red I am using is going to be from my BH Cosmetic palette. I'm going between these two. So that last color about to pop. And I know some people gonna be like, oh, that's rainbow colors, but no. For me, that it's rainbow. The rainbow is the chakra colors. You know what I'm saying? Like, everything is in harmony together. Okay? So don't worry. Don't worry. Now that we have everything set, I am gonna go back and do some cleanup, and then we're going to conceal these brows, baby. Okay? I ran out of concealer. So for my concealer, I'm going to use this Becca Skin Love foundation, and it's in the shade Amber. It's in the shade Amber. Okay, we gonna get the concealing. Ooh, yeah. If you liked this type of video, go ahead and hit me with a comment below, and also give this video a thumbs up just so that I know that you're rocking with this type of content. And yeah, you already know how I do. Don't forget to stay positive, keep positive vibrations always, and you already know I'm with the hippie shit. Peace.